Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Bring your summer salads up to a whole new level with homemade dressings.
With a few simple ingredients, you can add fresh, bright flavors to your favorite leafy greens.
Green Empress Dressing. In a food processor, add peas, fresh herbs, scallions, garlic, buttermilk, olive oil, white vinegar, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Process until smooth and enjoy.
Sweet mustard dressing. In a jar, combine extra virgin olive oil, honey, white wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and balsamic vinegar. Shake until well blended, season with salt and pepper, then serve over salad.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.